done this? Why are you forcing me? To go against my wish? I cannot do it, please.
Babe.
Please, excuse me, let me go and use it.
Hey! What is this? This is your bag. Babe, think about it. Are you going to apologize or you're ready to go with this bag? Mommy, are you willing to apologize for what you did or you want to leave? Choose one.
It's fine. I'm sorry. Let me go inside.
Hey, no, not to me, to my mother. Say kneel and apologize to
I
her.
cannot kneel down and apologize to any woman.
Babe, will you... Problem. Ella, please, get out of my house. Yes, go to your parents' house and learn discipline. When you're done, I'll come and pick you. Get out. I said, get out! Get out from here, you lousy woman. What's wrong with you? Mama, please, Yeah, I'm sorry. Please, forgive me. Please, forgive me. I'm sorry. I've never slapped you before, but because of that woman, I slapped you, please.